Your project is only going to be as good as the pre-production that's put together. You shouldn't be spending a whole lot of time on set, a whole lot of unnecessary time. We've all been in a situation where we've probably looked at the client where we didn't get good enough pre-production. So on the day of the shoot, we were like,
you don't know what you're talking about, do you?
You didn't do a call. You don't have a shot list. Like, there's going to be a whole lot of guesswork. Milanote is a very powerful program for pre-production. And I don't think it's just for creators. Actually, I feel like anybody can use it just to get organized. But one of the things that I use it for is for pre-production, obviously. I can create my shot lists. I share the board with the client. You know, we put what we want in there. So whatever they want to get as far as shots, and then whatever I think of, and then we come together and we just knock those out, and we can actually make bullet points or little tick marks so we can just go down the list. It's really simple, really effective, and it keeps us honest. Another upside to using Milanote is it's visual. So you drop in whatever you want. That could be a YouTube video, it could be a music video. You have a lot of options, pretty much. You drop in your inspo, your pictures. I think you even have the ability to pull like stock photos into your projects, just in case you didn't have any. The main takeaway that I want you guys to get from this is that it's a free program. It's powerful. It'll keep you, your team, the clients, whoever's using the program with you, it keeps everybody on task. I don't know how you could mess up using this program, to be honest. Like, I don't know how you could mess up using Milanote. And talk to me in the comments. Maybe you've already used it. Maybe you've used a different program. Just talk to me. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if there's something else out there that's better. I know that there are other programs. I think there's Notion out there. There might be something else, but I'd love to hear some feedback from you guys in the comments. Just let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all those good things. And I'll see you on the next one.